guys and girls, good morning. I hope you stay safe and healthy by the grace of God. As you know, speaking is a fun. Today, our topic of spoken English is watch. Dear viewers and listeners, watch is used to express a certain feeling and expression. Let us make practice as such. You can see on this whiteboard, what a lovely day, what a lovely day, what a lovely day, what a lovely day, कितना उम्दा दिन है, what a lovely day, what a lovely day, कितना उम्दा दिन है. Next one is, what a kind lady, what a kind lady, what a kind lady, what a kind lady, कितनी रहम दिल खातून है. And next is, what a bright moon, what a bright moon, what a bright moon, what a bright moon, कितना ताबनाक चांद है. And next is, what a lazy girl, 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 कितनी सुस्त लड़की है. What a cruel king, what a cruel king, what a cruel king, कितना जालिम बादशाह है. What a silly fellow, what a silly fellow, what a silly fellow, कितना नादान दोस्त है. And next is, what a sad story, what a sad story, what a sad story, कितनी गमगीन दास्तान है. And last one is, what a historic success, 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 कितनी तारीखी कामयाबी है. Guys and girls, let's recall these once again. What a lovely day, what a lovely day, what a lovely day, कितना उम्दा दिन है. What a kind lady, what a kind lady, what a kind lady, कितनी रहम दिल खातून है. What a bright moon, what a bright moon, what a bright moon, what a bright moon, कितना ताबनाक चांद है. What a lazy girl, what a lazy girl, what a lazy girl, कितनी सुस्त लड़की है. What a cruel king, what a cruel king, what a cruel king, what a cruel king, कितना जालिम बादशाह है. What a silly fellow, what a silly fellow, what a silly fellow, what a silly fellow, कितना नादान दोस्त है. What a sad story, what a sad story, what a sad story, कितनी गमगीन दास्तान है. What a historic success, what a historic success, what a historic success, what a historic success, कितनी तारीखी कामयाबी है. Let's see again. What a lovely day, what a kind lady, what a bright moon, what a lazy girl, what a cruel king, what a silly fellow, what a sad story, what a historic success. So guys and girls, you can recall these expressions again and again. So doing so, you will be able to speak a good English. Please make a lot of practice with these expressions, these certain expressions. By doing so, I am sure you would be able to speak a good English. Thank you. Goodbye. See you again.